Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through the top 5 best Forex brokers for spread betting. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's jump into it. Firstly, what is spread betting? Basically, spread betting is a strategy in which traders do not actually own the asset or instrument they bet on. Essentially, two prices are quoted for spread bets, one price that you can buy and one that you can sell. Spread betting is tax-free, and because you do not take any ownership of the specific asset, it allows you to take advantage of markets that are falling as well as rising. Having the potential to trade in both directions of the markets can give you a much wider spectrum of opportunities over the traditional buy and hold investing. Now let's jump into the top 5 Forex brokers with spread betting. Coming in first on our list at number 5, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN Zero, ECN and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, and eBooks for you to learn, watch, browse through, and read as you please. Coming in at number 4, we have eToro. eToro is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, and indices. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature retail and professional accounts with negative balance protection, margin closeout restrictions, and more. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, which cover a variety of trading topics, as well as a featured podcast and tutorial videos for you to browse through as you please. Coming in at number 3, we have ThinkMarkets. ThinkMarkets is a globally recognized, fully regulated, online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, precious metals, shares, CFDs, and commodities. Their accounts feature standard, Zero, Islamic, and joint accounts with tighter spreads, low minimum account opening balance, 24-hour 5 days a week live support, access to their free virtual private servers, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own ThinkTrader, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. ThinkMarkets also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading guides, a variety of written articles, market news and analysis panels, as well as their own economic calendar for you to browse through as you like. At number 2 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Featured platform for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a video library, various trading guides and courses, as well as monthly webinars that you can sign up to for a more in-depth educational experience. And at last but not least, at number 1 on our list of the best Forex brokers for spread betting, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's Web Trader. And for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, and many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online financial broker. And those are the top 5 best Forex brokers for spread betting on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.